When you search for brake bleeder kits, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Orion MotorTech Brake Bleeder Kit. Let's kick things off with the Orion MotorTech Brake Bleeder Kit. Priced at $19.99, this kit caught my attention with its promise of making brake bleeding a one-person job. If you want a straightforward solution for bleeding brakes easily, this is worth a serious look. The Orion kit features a handheld vacuum pump that allows you to bleed your brakes in under 5 minutes, which is a game changer if you're tired of needing an extra set of hands. It's designed for durability, with metal parts made from quality aluminum alloy. Plus, it comes with a pressure gauge to help you monitor your fluid levels. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. The vacuum pump not only works for brake fluids, but can also be used for other fluids like power steering fluid, making it a versatile addition to your garage. It has sold over 2,000 units this month, which shows it's popular among DIYers. Now, some people complained about the instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's really easy to use. If you're someone who likes to work on your car independently, this is perfect for you. But if you want something that's ready to use right out of the box with no learning curve, you might want to look elsewhere. The value for money is solid, especially considering its versatility. Now, if the instructions being tricky bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, the Pesico Brake Bleeder Bottle. Priced at $18.37, this caught my eye because it's designed for simplicity and efficiency. If you want to easily collect old brake fluid without making a mess, this is worth a serious look. This kit features a one-way check valve to prevent backflow, which is crucial for ensuring that old brake fluid doesn't seep back into your system. The 24-inch hose lets you reach those hard-to-access areas, and the rubber connector fits most bleeding screws. It's made from high-rigidity plastic, meaning it can withstand corrosion and high temperatures, extending its lifespan. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear many people appreciate its reliability. However, some users mentioned that the bottle's capacity could be larger. Honestly, if you're dealing with multiple cars or larger systems, you might find yourself needing to empty it more often than you'd like. But if you're just looking for a reliable tool for occasional use, it won't be a deal breaker. This is great for DIY enthusiasts who want something straightforward and effective. But if you plan on doing extensive brake work frequently, you might need a bigger option. It's a solid deal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a complete kit.
Product number 3, Off-Band Brake Bleeder Kit. The third product is the Off-Band Brake Bleeder Kit, going for just $6.99. This caught my attention because it's incredibly budget-friendly. If you want an affordable way to keep your brake system clean, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes a variety of hoses and check valves that are specifically designed to prevent air and impurities from entering your braking system. Plus, it comes with dust-proof screw caps that keep the bleeder screw clean. The materials used are high quality, with aluminum valves that won't rust and a flexible rubber hose that can adapt to your vehicle's layout. Over 1,000 people have grabbed this kit recently, making it a favorite for those looking for simple solutions. However, some users found the assembly process a bit fiddly. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, it's fairly straightforward. If you're someone who's comfortable with DIY tasks and doesn't mind a little extra effort, this kit will work great for you. But if you're looking for something that's easy to set up right away, you might want to consider other options. For the price, it's hard to argue against its value. Now, if you're looking for something that eliminates the mess, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 4, CalSpec Tools Brake Bleeder Kit. The fourth option is the CalSpec Tools Brake Bleeder Kit, priced at $22.89. This caught my attention because of its innovative features. If you want to avoid messy spills while bleeding your brakes, this is worth a serious look. What sets this kit apart is its built-in check valve and a 20-pound super magnet that holds the couch bottle securely in place, eliminating the need to close the bleeder before releasing the pedal. This means you can work cleanly without worrying about fluid dripping everywhere. It also has a 16-ounce capacity and a 16-inch hose, giving you the length and volume needed for any job. Assembled and tested in the USA, it boasts clear instructions tailored for DIY users, which is a huge plus. This kit has sold over 700 units this month, indicating a solid reputation. On the downside, some users felt the bottle could be a bit sturdier. Honestly, while it's not the heaviest duty option, it holds up well for regular use. If you're someone who prioritizes cleanliness and ease of use, this one is perfect for you. But if you're a heavy-duty mechanic needing something that can take a beating, then you might want to look elsewhere. The price is fair for the convenience it offers. All right, we're on to the last product, which is another solid option from Orion Motortech that might catch your interest.
Product number 5, Orion Motortech Vacuum Bleeder. We have the Orion Motortech Vacuum Bleeder, also priced at $19.99. This kit grabbed my attention because it's designed for versatility. If you want a tool that can handle more than just brake fluid, this is worth a serious look. Like the previous Orion kit, this one comes with a vacuum pump that adds an adapter set, making it compatible with almost any vehicle's hydraulic system. You can bleed brakes, clutches, and even use it for vacuum sealing. The premium silicone tubes improve resilience and sealing performance, which means no leaks while you work. This kit has also sold over 600 units this month, showing it's well-liked among car enthusiasts. However, some users noted that the instructions could be more detailed. Here's the thing, once you understand how to use it, you'll appreciate the convenience it brings. This is perfect for DIYers who want a multifunctional tool, but if you prefer something that tells you exactly what to do step by step, this might not be the best fit. For the price, the versatility you get is excellent. To wrap things up, whether you're looking for a straightforward option or something that covers various needs, there's a brake bleeder kit on this list that can fit your style.
So there you have it, the top 5 brake bleeder kits. From the Orion Motortech kits that offer versatility to the budget-friendly options from Pasico and Offband, there's something for everyone. Whether you need a simple tool for occasional use or a more comprehensive solution, these options are sure to help you handle your brake maintenance with ease.